it's Traven here. Today is the 6th session of the video creation course with NAS Academy. And on the session 5, we are tasked to actually edit our video too with different shots, right? So 4 of us in a group, each of us have a same raw material shots and we have to edit it on our own. So the outcome is actually quite different from each of us, but for myself, I haven't really complete my edit yet because it takes quite a lot of time. But I'm so proud to share that my team member Joy has done it so well, and she spent a whole 2 days to edit it to be a version of like 20, but that's so impressive and so inspiring for the end result. So I have a lot more to learn on that aspect. So today's session is actually on 2 aspects. One is actually the pro editing skills, which is also our 3rd session, the final one on editing. All right. So we learn a few things. The first one is actually the speed ramp effect. Speed ramp. So this effect is used most frequently when you're having a drone shots, whereby your drone is actually flew over to a distance for like 30 seconds. You want to speed that process up so you can actually increase the speed and maybe slow down when the video actually focus on one object or so, or one scene, right? So you can do that through speed ramp effect. Then we also learn about color correction, because some scenes is taken maybe in a low lighting environment, all right, which is quite dark, and you can actually adjust it like in the post editing process through adjusting the contrast, the exposure, the saturations, so to give more vibrancy to the video itself. All right. Then the second half of the session, we learn about how to shoot with a purpose. So this is also more advanced, where we learned that in the first few sessions, but today's session, the focus is on how to shoot with a purpose, how to use like a transition, the film transition, for a better effect. It can be cinematic, it can be more emotional. So this is really have to do a lot more, like a lot with like creativity. We have to do with more practices as well. So that's all for today's focus. And the next session will be on the social media. All right, it's really about how to publish it to the media so that it can get more outreach and more engagements, but that will be learned in the next session. So we are now given 1 week away from our final submission of the ultimate homework called the video 3, which is the final video, which is freestyle. It's just limited to 160 words, which is approximately an hour-ish. So that can be freestyle. I'm still thinking what topics, what themes I need to do. But I'm so looking forward to my own editing. No choice but to really spend a lot more time on that, and it's exciting. All right, see you then. Bye.